I saw tropical forests vanish before my eyes. As a young ecology researcher working in Brazil's tropical forest, I witnessed a once vast ecosystem reduced to less than 10% of its original size. The biodiversity crisis is undeniable, perhaps more widespread than climate emergency. If we continue losing species at the current rate, the consequences for humanity are beyond the imaginable. The silence of extinction hit me hard. It wasn't just trees disappearing. It was our beauty, our culture, our life. That moment changed everything. I left teaching behind and dedicated my life to conservation and environmental justice. In the Brazilian countryside, I learned from farmers and field assistants living by the forest. Their profound knowledge made me understand that they weren't a problem. It wasn't subsistence or traditions destroying biodiversity. It was the commodification of nature. Biodiversity conservation is what drives me, protecting biodiversity as well as the human culture entwined with it. I work with local indigenous communities in Brazil and Kenya. Together, we co-create ways to restore ecosystems that are rooted in traditional knowledge. By working alongside them, we can restore landscapes in ways that are both culturally meaningful and ecologically powerful. At NTU, I lead research in Kenya's Masai Mara, a biocultural diversity hotspot, restoring ecosystems alongside local communities. This work is political, urgent, and deeply personal. It's about justice for nature and people. As a researcher, my greatest reward is training new generations and using my voice to make a difference. My name is Felipe Melo, and this is my research revealed.